Want to capture every adventure in stunning detail? From biking and surfing to travel and vlogging, the right action camera makes all the difference. Welcome to Action Camera, Part 4, where we're checking out some of the best action cameras on Amazon with 4K recording, powerful stabilization, and rugged designs built for any adventure. Stick around to see which one is worth taking on your next trip. And subscribe for more awesome camera and tech gear. At number 1 we have ODDV 4K 60fps 30MP action camera. Record-stunning 4K 60fps video and 30MP photos with sharp precision. Shoot up to 60 frames per second of crystal-clear stills, providing 4 times the resolution of standard HD cameras. Perfect for high-action environments like snowboarding, biking, motocross, hiking, climbing, skateboarding, skydiving and ziplining. This action camera features a dual-screen design, including a 2.0-inch touch-sensitive HD rear screen and a 1.4-inch non-touch front screen. The intuitive interface allows for easy adjustments to settings, seamless switching between shooting modes, and convenient previewing and playback, while also catering to your selfie needs. Built-in 6-axis electronic image stabilization (EIS) provides exceptional anti-shake performance for steady and smooth videos, eliminating the frustration of shaky footage. Whether capturing thrilling adventures or everyday moments, this feature ensures smooth footage even in fast motion, letting you relive your experiences with clarity and confidence. At number 2 we have AKASO 4K 30fps 20MP action camera. Upgrade series of AKASO Brave 7LA, featuring 4K 30fps, 2.7K 30fps video resolution and 20MP photos. AKASO Brave 7 action camera enables you to take incredible photos and Ultra HD videos, clearly recording the beauty and wonders in life. 10mm/33ft waterproof camera without case. AKASO Brave 7 waterproof camera is waterproof to 33 feet without case. It is ideal for extreme sports such as surfing, diving, etc. Its IPX8 water-resistant design lets unlock all the filming scenarios and ease your vlogging experience. The camera is equipped with an integrated image stabilizer, ICE 2.0, that can predict movements and correct vibrations. With this feature, your shots will be stable and smooth, even with fast movements. Convenient dual display. With innovative dual-color screens design, you can change framing and monitoring views between back and front, especially the vivid front screen can satisfy your selfies need, and 2-inch back touch screen makes it easy to use than ever. At number 3 we have Insta360 8K 360 degrees action camera. 8K 30fps 360 degrees video with dual 1.28 sensors, capture stunning detail with dual 1.28 sensors shooting up to 8K 30fps. Film epic adventures, everyday moments, and more, all in sharp, immersive 360 degrees video with better clarity, color, and dynamic range. Triple AI chip design, better low-light shoot confidently even in challenging lighting. X5's triple AI chip design powers advanced noise reduction and image processing, delivering crisp, vibrant footage even in dim or night conditions. Invisible selfie stick, create impossible third-person views with no selfie stick in sight. Capture everything in 360 degrees, then choose your angles later using AI-assisted reframing. Perfect shots, every time. Invisible selfie stick sold separately. Insta-frame mode, get a ready-to-share flat video instantly. Choose auto-framing to let the camera track you, or lock in a fixed angle. Preview the 360 degrees video later to add in any unexpected moments. 2. Flow state stabilization plus 360 degrees horizon lock, no gimbal needed. At number 4 we have DJI 8K action camera. Capture every moment with exceptional clarity using this advanced action camera, designed for creators, adventurers, and sports enthusiasts. Featuring a variable aperture from f/2.0 to f/4.0, it automatically adapts to different lighting conditions to deliver sharp, crystal-clear 4K footage whether you're filming in bright daylight or low-light environments. The powerful 1.1 square sensor significantly enhances image quality, producing vibrant colors, improved dynamic range, and the ability to record stunning videos up to 8K resolution, perfect for vlogging, travel content, underwater exploration, and high-energy sports action. Built for reliability in demanding conditions, the camera offers up to 4 hours of recording time in normal environments and features a cold-resistant design that keeps it operating even when temperatures drop. For professional quality audio, it supports direct connection with 2 DJI microphone transmitters without needing a separate receiver, making interviews, sports commentary, and content creation easier than ever. At number 5 we have AKASO Pro 4K 30fps action camera. Capture your adventures in stunning detail with the upgraded AKASO EK7000 Pro Action Camera, designed to deliver impressive performance for sports, travel, and outdoor filming. It records crisp 4K video at 30 fps and smooth 1080p video at 60 fps, while the 20MP camera captures sharp, high-resolution photos so every moment is preserved with outstanding clarity. The intuitive 2-inch IPS touchscreen provides a bright and responsive interface, allowing you to easily change settings, switch shooting modes, preview shots, and review your footage directly on the camera. Designed for water adventures, the camera includes an upgraded waterproof case that allows it to dive up to 131 feet, 40 meters, making it perfect for swimming, surfing, snorkeling, and deep-sea diving. To support longer recording sessions, the EK7000 Pro comes with two rechargeable 1,350 mAh batteries, each capable of recording up to 140 minutes, giving you extended shooting time so you never miss important moments during your adventures. At number 6 we have GoPro Waterproof Action Camera. Hero 13 Black is compatible with the HB series lenses that let you instantly set up your camera for a variety of specialty shots. The ultra-wide lens mod is the ultimate POV lens for action-packed scenes and epic landscapes. The macro lens mod captures close-up shots and stunning detail. Neutral density filters add motion blur to your footage and let you adjust the lighting in your shots with professional results. 5.3K video delivers breathtaking image quality with 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p. Hero 13 Black captures the action with crisp detail and exacting image quality so any shot with any lens will look amazing. 5.3K video also lets you grab stunning photos up to 24.7 MP from your footage using the GoPro Quick app. Burst Slow-Mo Hero 13 Black features our slowest slow-mo ever with the ability to record video clips with the action slowed down to 13x normal speed. You'll also be able to record short 4x slow-mo clips using our highest 5.3K resolution video to catch epic details that you'd never be able to see with the naked eye. At number 7 we have Sixmou i3 4K Thumb Action Camera. 1.25 ounces, 35.7 G, and thumb size, the Sixmou i3 4K Tiny Action Camera is so compact it's smaller than your thumb and weighs just 1.25 ounces, 35.7 grams. You can mount it on your body without even noticing it's there, blending seamlessly with you. It offers a whole new amazing experience. Mount anywhere. The i3 Sports camera features a magnetic design, allowing you to attach it to an iron metal surface. It also comes with a magnetic lanyard pad that lets you quickly mount it to your chest in just 1 second. With a 360 degrees rotating spring clip, you can effortlessly secure the camera to your collar, pocket, waist, and more. Additionally, it includes 7 other mounting accessories, making it easy to attach to bikes, motorcycles, helmets, and other gear. 131 feet deep waterproof. This mini camera includes a waterproof case. You can take the camera underwater up to 131 feet, 40 meters, making it ideal for diving, snorkeling, and surfing. Just remember, the camera itself is not waterproof without the housing. At number 8 we have Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. 4K action camera with 4x zoom, professional 4K/30 fps, 2.7K/30 fps, 1080p/60 fps video and 20MP photo resolution enables you to capture exciting moment for you. This camera also features zoom range from 1.0x to 4.0x. 100 FT waterproof action camera. Place your camera into the waterproof case and securely fasten it. You can dive below 100 feet underwater. Cameras is ideal for water sports such as swimming, surfing, diving, snorkeling, etc. Wireless remote control and adjustable view angle. Put the remote control on your wrist while installing the camera on the helmet, selfie stick, etc. Convenient to record moments in places. You can choose as many different viewing angles as you need to shoot. It's up to you to decide expand or narrow field view. Versatile and compact Dragon Touch 4K action camera features multiple functions including driving mode, image rotation, time-lapse, burst photo, loop recording, slow motion, drama shot, white balance, etc., bringing this camera to more applicable conditions beyond your expectation. At number 9 we have Insta360 8K 360 action camera. Unleash full creative freedom with the lightweight Insta360 X4 Air 360 degrees camera, weighing just 165 grams for effortless portability without sacrificing performance. Designed for creators on the move, ensuring every angle of your adventure, family moment, or scenic location is recorded in breathtaking detail. With this shoot first, frame later capability, you never have to worry about aiming the camera. Simply record the moment and use the Insta360 app to easily reframe the best angles afterward. The iconic invisible selfie stick effect lets you capture dramatic third-person or drone-like perspectives while the selfie stick disappears from the shot, creating cinematic footage that traditional action cameras cannot achieve. Built for durability and convenience, the X4 Air features rugged, replaceable lenses that can be swapped out easily with a replacement kit if damaged. With 8K 30fps active HDR, the camera enhances highlights and shadows to preserve rich details even in challenging lighting conditions. At number 10 we have AKASO Brave 4 Action Camera. K30fps video and 20MP photo, capture every detail of life's most beautiful moments with video resolutions from 4K 30fps to 1080p 60fps and 20MP photos so you can relive them anytime, anywhere. Start recording the wonders of your life. With 4 customizable viewing angles of 170 degrees, 140 degrees, 110 degrees, and 70 degrees, capture the perfect perspective for any situation. Built-in smart gyroscope technology ensures shock-resistant and stable shooting, leading to incredibly smooth, professional-looking footage that stands out from the competition. This action camera comes equipped with both Wi-Fi and HDMI capabilities, allowing you to quickly and effortlessly share and edit videos with the free app. Simply download the app on your phone or tablet and connect with the camera. With a Wi-Fi signal range of up to 10 meters and an HDMI port for TV connectivity, you can easily share your exciting experiences with friends and family in high quality and on a bigger screen. Place your action camera into the waterproof case and securely fasten it, then you can dive below 40 meters.